So by that four principle, our main goal is, first of all, we want to reducing the time for transportation, and we want to improving the communication. I think that you can imagine that in the weekend you want to go to coffee shop with your friend. Normally you need to drive a car. However, in Royal Center Park, you can invite your friend to this area, and then you can walk through the coffee shop. And on the road, walking through the coffee shop, you can meet your friend, your relative, or your neighbor, and you can talk. You can improving the community. This one will be the real image of the Royal Center Park in the future, including we will have a big lake with the big square for the community activity. We will have one gate. This one will be the bridge in the one of very first one in Biscuit with a 2 tower with 25 meters. And yes, of course, we will have a walking road and then the space for the cyclists. So finally, our goal for the Royal Central Park is reducing the time for the transportation and improving time for the communication.